Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Suzuki Swift Sport, stock number 6011. This ran from 09-2006 to the 12-2010. Has a M16A 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is an M16A 4-cylinder petrol engine. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear factory 16-inch mag wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.